Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're doing today is we're setting up a little irrigation system. This whole week it's supposed to be in the upper 90s, and so what I'm doing is kind of preparing for it. Front flower bed already has an automatic irrigation system. I'm kind of rigging up something here on the back, and I'm just right now primarily just worried about watering one plant, but let me show you what I did. Well, now what I did right here was I have one of these timers, and this timer, it's really a good timer, but it's a lot bigger than what I really want it to be. It has the ability of running 2 sets of lines and all of that, and I think I'll save this one, and I'm going to get a little single hose connection style timer for this. And I'll save this one. I'm gonna do a garden maybe next year, and I'll save this one. But anyway, dug a shallow trench. It's just a few inches deep, not very deep. Just did this so you know, the mower wouldn't hit it or anything when I'm mowing. And then I come up, and just a simple little spray head up there. This is adjustable. I really like those spray heads, and but anyway, real simple, easy to do, nothing too complicated. And I called this up because, you know, I may change something up. And like I said, I'm going to use a different timer, but anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Well, I have it set right now to where it will only water at a 1 minute time, and I'll do 1 minute for every day of the week. I could change it to be more or less, but anyway, I think probably 1 minute every day will be plenty of water to keep this plant going. And with a little luck, it'll start flowering again. Well, you can tell by the position of the sun, it's now afternoon, and I'm kind of losing my shade. So what I did, I sort of picked up the pace a little bit and evened up the trench when I covered it up and everything, so it looks pretty good. So now we're ready for that warm weather. Bring it on. So anyway, guys, I tell you what, I appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out this little irrigation project that I had. It was very small, but it's going to serve the purpose. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.